Workplace safety is a concern for all employers. Let's take a look at the Occupational Safety and Health Act, known as OSHA. To help protect employees, the Occupational Safety and Health Act, the OSH Act of 1970, requires employers to pursue workplace safety policy. Workplace safety deals with the physical protection of people from injury or illness while on the job. Employers must meet all Occupational Safety and Health Administration OSHA safety standards, maintain records of injuries and deaths due to workplace accidents, and submit to on-site inspections when notified. Those who don't comply are subject to citations and penalties, usually in the forms of fines. Willful violations of the Act that cause death are punishable with a fine of up to $500,000 for the organization and $250,000 and up to 6 months in prison for an individual who is found culpable. Today, the HR department commonly has the responsibility for ensuring the health and safety of its employees. In addition to many specific requirements in the Act, the General Duties Clause of the OSHA Act covers all employers. The General Duties Clause also states that each employee has the duty to comply with the occupational safety standards, rules, and regulations that are set forth by the employer as well as the Act. 1970, the year the OSHA Act was passed, job-related accidents accounted for more than 14,000 worker deaths in the United States.